that really has more questions to answer from Kenyans. And we have pictures there, evidence of police officers literally stoning cars.
I think this was very unfortunate incidents, and to my belief, I think the police was just excited about the way they had, done their work during that day, and, picking a stone and throwing at a moving vehicle is very serious to a police service, not a police force that we all expect to. We thought our police are now professional, and when you look at him, he's a very senior ranking police officer. He's not a normal, ordinary police, because he looks decent and he looks, a very senior police officer. So it's very, very unfortunate that we are seeing such incidences of being perpetrated by our police service.
And let's hope that this will definitely be dealt with, because really there is no reason that they could give us that is reasonable enough. And the evidence is right there. You can see a policeman here holding a stone. There's another one there hurling a stone. And clear that they're not even throwing these stones at protesters or in the air. It is aimed at a car.
At moving cars. And I think, Mike, before you move on to another story, I think the IPOA should start investigating some of these incidences, because for some time now, we have seen police misbehaving or using excessive force on people who are not armed, or people who are just, expressing their rights.
Their rights, yes.
But you see police using very excessive forces, and all over we have heard IPOA claiming that they're investigating these incidences. But we have never seen a conclusive report where a police officer is presented before the court and,
and
charged for these crimes. So IPOA should come out and, address some of these challenges that we are facing as a country.
All right, let's now move on to